Can you hear me? Thank God.
I could cry. And here we go.
Oh my God, it's so hot! You find him hot? Hindi, cute lang. Gusto mo? No, if you want it, you can have it, no problem. Hindi type mo ata. Sige na sa'yo na, ikaw naman. Kunwari ka pa eh. Ano ka ba? You can have him. It's not a big deal. Okay lang kung gusto mo, sa'yo na.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes.
Pick up every stitch. You got to pick up every stitch. Must be the season of the witch.
What? What the fuck?
Betty? What is it?
I was going through the blue and gold's mail, and I got a letter from the Black Hood Killer. He said,
To the most handsome man in the world, blood is red, bruises are blue. Be my Valentine and don't say no!
Do you want to go first? 'Cause I'm happy to wait. I practiced really hard, but I'm finding it strange to start with you.
So how does it go? I've forgotten the tune. I haven't warmed up today, so it might sound a bit strange. Yes, I do. Cause I
Can
sing.
I swear it's true? I'm just a little nervous in front of you.
The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had.
It's time to stop!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I hate you so much right now. I hate you so much right now.
Next, we do our happy dance.
You're so freaking cute. I think I could get used to you. Got me like,
I like blondes.
Oh, really?
You know what though? Lately I'm kind of into redheads.
Oh, yeah?
But I always love brunettes.